The embattled IEBC CEO's attempt to temporarily block his ouster from the electoral body hit a snag after the Employment and Labour Relations Court declined to overturn Commission Chairman Wafula Chebukati's directive that he proceeds on a 3-month compulsory leave.
The court declines to issue any ex parte preservatory orders. In lieu thereof, the court directs that the application petition be heard and determined on an expedited basis. The papers suggest that there are intractable questions regarding the relationship between the applicant and some of the respondents. The facts may be seriously contested. It would be prudent, therefore, in the view of the court, to have the full facts before issuing any orders.
While contesting his removal, Chiloba told the court that the decision was made unprocedurally and by only 3 commissioners out of 6, a move he termed an attempt to cover up the ongoing probe by the electoral body by the Auditor General on procurement and financial management in the run-up to the August general election and the October repeat presidential contest. But the judge ruled that Chiloba would not suffer any loss if he proceeded on compulsory leave as ordered by Chebukati.
The only prejudice or injustice, if it amounts to that, at this juncture, is that the applicant will not be reporting to work. But as regards remuneration, that is a tangible which can be exactly computed. There was no suggestion that the applicant would be deprived of his remuneration during the compulsory leave.
Chiloba was asked to exit and pave way for an external audit of the Commission's expenditure in the run-up to the 2 elections last year, an internal audit report that was used by Chebukati and Commissioners Boya Molu and Abdi Yakub Gulie to send the CEO on forced leave, established in some cases non-adherence to procurement laws, regulations, procedures and guidelines in procurement of goods and services. The probe touched on 5 tenders: provision of election technology support, supply, delivery and installation of results transmission network, provision of BVR server infrastructure, provision of Oracle database and security solution, as well as strategic communication and integrated media campaign consultancy services. For example, the report indicated that Airtel Kenya supplied 1,000 satellite phones for transmission of results in areas that were not covered by a mobile phone network, yet IEBC had executed an agreement for 1,553 devices. The 553 devices were supplied more than 2 weeks after the August general election in a deal that cost the taxpayer 912 million shillings. With Chiloba's compulsory leave directive sealed, the petition that he filed will be heard on the 7th of next month. Francis Gachuri, Citizen Weekend.